Hello everybody. It's been less than a month since we got the bees in. Has been right at about 3 weeks. The cows have knocked the panels and pushed one of the beehives over. So two things I'll be doing today. My main objective was to just go into the hive and make sure that they're thriving and that they're doing well. The other, when I came out, the second objective became apparent. They had knocked. It wasn't knocked over completely, but it was shifted and tilted. So I am going to have to get in there and correct the beehives to their original positions, and then I will look in both of them. This will be my first time looking in the beehive, and I will see, what the numbers are looking like, what the production is looking like. Are they thriving or are they having a hard time? So let's go and check them out. Okay, we have on our super suit. Let's go on over here and see if we can get this thing fixed properly. So we've got a smoke container. Let's get on in here and see what we can do. Those cows really did a number on it, didn't they? I guess they pushed in on that side. So where can I put this camera that we can videotape? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get those hives upright. Let's see if we can get that videotaped properly. Now let's see if we can get into one of these hives and how it's looking. So we've taken the top off of that hive. Let's see what it's looking like on the inside. This other level. Let's just try to brush those bees out of the way. And they want to start swarming. They've already started building, attaching to this top layer. Okay, so let's see, how do we get this top layer up? This top layers is already sealed, so we're breaking the seal. So far, nobody has swarmed me. Nobody seems to be overly upset with me just yet. Okay, so we seem to be getting that done. Look at that. That's pretty good. They're doing rather well. I do not see the queen. I'm not gonna go in there and bother with them. I'm just gonna leave them just like that. Let me push them in there so I can close this back up. Yeah, I don't know whether the video stopped or whether I turned it off. Out here in the sun, it's hard to see the screen. But there's a lot of bees there coming up on the upper section. So there's a lot of bees in there. And the comb is coming up good. I don't know why that butterfly want to come in here. Butterfly, please move away before I close you in there with those bees. Come on now, get out of there. Yeah, he just keeps coming back in. We're gonna go in and close this one up. I'm not taking up any of the spots. I'm just gonna close it up. We've closed it up. Everybody seems to be doing well. Nobody is too upset about me being in here. Yep. So I'm gonna just leave them now. I'm thinking it may be time to put a second top on it so they can start making the honeys for me. But close this back up from the cows. Okay, so what we did, what we did was I put that block in the corner over there, so if they come pushing again, they won't be able to push through. And I made that a little bit wider at an angle, so hopefully they're not going to be able to push through next time. So I went in there. I was able to upright the one that was tilted over, and the second one had shifted a bit, so I was able to get them in the correct orientation. And at the same time, I was able to open up both tops and look in, and as you saw, the bees are thriving. The numbers are doing very well. The honeycombs are coming up to the top, so I'm thinking it's time for me to put on an upper, or whatever the correct terminology is. Hey, I'm new to this. I'm just learning it as we go. So I will take some of the footage I have and take it over to the bee company, show it to the team over there, and get some advice. Let them tell me whether it's time to put on that second level. Well, hope you enjoyed it. You have yourself a wonderful day and continue to be safe out there.